Mas gabo palakpakan dyan. Alright, so I'm really loving the energy of our guests. I hope until the very end of our program, tuloy-tuloy po mataas ang excitement and energy level natin as we have this very intimate wedding celebration. And syempre magpapakilala muna ako sa inyo lahat. By the way, my name is Bobs and I'll be your host for this lovely afternoon. And before we officially start our program, later on we will be having a lot of photo opportunity with our couple. So mamaya as we post yung mga pictures natin on social media platforms natin, kindly use ang ating hashtag for the day. Ang hashtag po natin is JGetTheJoy. Ano po ang ating hashtag? Tama yung energy. So hindi po tayo mag-lunch later on. What would be our hashtag for this celebration? Sige, everyone, 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, so hanapin kayo on your post later on. And with that, syempre po, unang-una sa ating program, pwede po bang palakpakan ninyo ang inyong mga sarili? Yan, malakas na palakpakan because you made it today to be with us in this celebration. And on behalf of our couple, syempre we would like to extend our gratitude and appreciation